Hi everyone, so quick overview of Meatbag.app. So this is the Fediverse app, one of Twitter alternatives. To access it, you just need to go to Meatbag.app, create your account with your username and password, and then you will just see all these posts. It's like super simple design, similar to Twitter. You can create your own post. You can attach photos. You can add emojis, uh, like that. Add polls, websites. Um, whatever you like. And there is 5,000 character limit. And then you can just browse through their website. There is like home tab. There is search. There is notifications. There is chats. Whatever you like. And the thing about it is like there is Fediverse. This is the part of it. As this is a social network made up of thousands of independent social media sites servers, and the posts you see here are from third-party servers. You have the freedom to engage with them or to block any server you don't like, and you just need to look after @ symbol to know which server the post is from. So it's like similar, like the same as Mastodon. It's like part of this Fediverse, like decentralized social media where there is each server, and that's basically how it works. But there is also like the separate tab for Meatbag tab, where you can just see posts from that app. I'm just browsing it quickly here because this app is like super new. There is so much spam and scamming accounts. It's not moderated at all, I think. Maybe it is, but of course it's not that high quality as Twitter. It's just mostly like a test replacement, if people like it or not, part of this more decentralized system. So here you can see your account, you can see your profile. Similar looks as to Twitter, so you can see posts and replies, media, likes. You can like it, you can share your profile, you can see preferences, edit profile, you can see a theme, you can change theme, you can delete an account here as well. You can move account, which is also interesting to some other profile. And then that's basically how it works. Import. So switch accounts, I don't know, you can add an existing account, import data. So here you can just import a file containing a list of followed accounts, import your blocks or mutes. There are some filters, filter context, so you can add these new filters if you like. So that's basically the idea of it. And then you can just of course change your profile picture. Like change a display name and location, bio. You can set up, subscribe to newsletter. You can add some profile fields, and so that's basically the idea. Quite interesting. That's how it works. So if you want to try it out, go to meatbag.app on your browser. It's not available on Android or iOS, but hope this overview is helpful.